This tutorial is going to teach students how to access their Canvas dashboard from home. I know two different ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both of those ways. The first is to go through HelloID, and you can access HelloID by searching snow.helloid.com in the search bar, which I'm going to do now. And right here we have my HelloID applications. You might have to sign in. I do not, because I've already signed in. And right here we have the Canvas logo. It's a reddish circle of shapes. If you click on this application, you'll be taken to your Canvas dashboard once this loads. So this is one way to access Canvas. The second way is to go through your school homepage, and I'm going to use Riverview as an example. So if I search Riverview Elementary in Google, the first link is the Riverview Elementary homepage. And if I scroll down under Eagle Quick Links, we have online resources. And down here, Canvas. The link under Canvas will take you to your Canvas dashboard, just like HelloID did. So there are two ways to get to the same place, which is your Canvas dashboard. Secondly, I'm going to explain this dashboard a little bit. For me, I have lots of different classes, so I have lots of different cards. For you, you should only have one or two of these little squares here. One of them will be your classes square, and once you click on that, you'll be able to navigate through your class and find assignments and other such stuff that your teachers have provided for you on Canvas. And that's how you can access your Canvas dashboard from home.